Hi, Peter here. I'm at Port Kembla at a beach, and there seems to be a lot of dead birds. A bit strange. They're everywhere. I don't know the species exactly, but there's probably 100 dead birds on the beach. Here's another one. I suppose I can find out what species it is and put it here somewhere on the footage. It's really bizarre. They're everywhere. You got them just on the beach, just sitting here they're just rotting. Yeah. The tide's kind of washing them away now. Now, the best theory I have is that the smoke clouds and the fires must have starved them of oxygen, and they literally just fell into the ocean. The clouds today, there's no smoke today, but I think that they starved of oxygen and just died. It's my best theory. If you've got another theory, leave it in the comments below, I guess. But they're just everywhere. Look at them. It looks like they've died in the last 12 hours or so, but I don't really know that. Here's another one. There's two. There's heaps over there. We'll go over there and check that out. They're just littered everywhere. Here's another one. Ah, the poor buggers. I don't know how they died, really. Just guessing. There's probably a lot more than that around there. Anyway, this is at Port Kembla. There's probably a lot more dead birds out there, probably other wildlife that's been affected by these fires. I'm just assuming it is to do with the fires recently. It could be completely unrelated. I have no idea, but it's the best theory I got. Alright, signing off. See ya.